Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about grapes, and I have some delicious red grapes here. And I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with grapes. So if you're looking for something just really a little different to do, hopefully this will help you out. Grapes are known to pair well with basil, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, fennel seeds, garlic of all things, and ginger, mint, nutmeg, parsley, rosemary, salt, star anise, and vanilla. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.